Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And this week I wanted to try Nature's cereal that's been featured on TikTok and it's went viral, so I wanted to give it a try. So I'm going to give you my review and let you know what I think. Here are the ingredients. I use coconut water, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, pomegranate seed, and some ice. They are all organic. Each of these are loaded with health benefits. Blueberries are loaded with vitamin K and C and have about 1 gram of protein. Blackberries are also loaded with vitamin K and C and have about 2 grams of protein. Pomegranates are loaded with vitamin C and have about 6 grams of fiber and 3 grams of protein. Raspberries also have a lot of vitamin C and K. They have about 8 grams of fiber and about 1.5 grams of protein. And you're going to put it all in a bowl. And just remember, coconut water is a natural electrolyte, so it's loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So here we go. So it has blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and pomegranate seeds. All are very healthy. They offer vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, so it's very healthy. So I'm going to let you know what I think. Let's see. Oh wow. That's different. Kind of crunchy with the pomegranate seeds. It's actually really good. Oh wow. I wasn't expecting this. Oh my goodness, it's actually really good. Wow. So you can add variants of different types of fruit, but mostly you're going to use raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. I've seen people add strawberries, dragon fruit, star fruit. It's kind of up to you, but this is like the base. Make sure you add ice and coconut water. This is really good. One more bite. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Let me know what you think of Nature's cereal because it's delicious. Bye.